Hey guys, look what I got in the mail this morning. I got a sewing machine. I haven't used a sewing machine in a long time. I am thrilled to death for this. I'm gonna have to be taught how to use it, but I'll think I'm gonna be able to manage. I hope. Ew, pretty. A little heavy. Well, here's my new Singer sewing machine. Plug. It's called Singer Heavy Duty. And here's all the papers. It's a 4411. And
cover.
And it comes with a cover. And I got it directly from Singer online. And I hope it works. So on the next couple videos, I might show you how I use it, because I'll need some time to learn how to use it. So thank you. Have a good one. Bye.